Alright, our new book is The Orphan Train Writers. It's about one boy's true story by Andrea Warren. It's based on a true story, which means this is a non-fiction book. You'll find the book scanned in Schoology, and you'll find the comprehension questions in each folder. What, when, and why. The orphan trains operated from 1824 to 1929. Kids were, parents either died or could not afford them, but most kids were not actually orphaned. They were either abandoned, abused, or homeless. There were some orphan kids, but these are just kids that basically their parents couldn't afford to keep. Where did they come from and go? Many came from the East Coast, particularly New York City. It was, as you know, it's pretty crowded in New York City, so they were not able to. In the orphanage, they were just getting so many kids at a time that they weren't able to take care of this many kids. So what they started to do is they started to go out on rural areas to the Midwest, including many to Nebraska. The book we are reading about the little boy, he actually went to Texas. Midwesterners gladly accepted him so they could help on the farm and with taking care of other children. Some people had lots of kids already. Some people didn't have any kids, but they needed help on the farm, so they took him in. Our story follows Lee Nailing. His mother died and his father couldn't take care of him. And the story of his journey as an orphan. So remember, his dad is still alive, but couldn't afford to take care of him and his brothers, so he was considered abandoned by his father, and they sent him off on the orphan train to be adopted by someone else. Hope you enjoy it.